This is the Celpic P1, the pocket-sized handheld printer that makes inkjet printing truly portable. Cut the cord to your old way of printing and experience absolute creative freedom. At Celpic, we believe in both form and function. We designed P1 to be lightweight and compact while harnessing high-quality printing power. Print text, logos, barcodes, QR codes, and more to present a professional and polished look at your next meeting. The Celpic P1 also prints on almost any surface, putting this printer in a class of its own. Discover new ways to show the world who you are. Express yourself in a multitude of languages. The P1 prints in any direction using the horizontal, vertical, curved, and right-to-left text features. Hands tied?
Pretzels.
The speech-to-text function also allows you to quickly and easily create new documents without having to text. Live life with more color. When you're ready to start a new project, swap out the cartridge by selecting from one of 8 color options. Freedom at your fingertips. Connect to the Celpic P1 app to create your designs and start printing the way you want to. Print anywhere, anytime, on anything. Together we make life easy. The Celpic P1, the world's most portable handheld printer, is here, and the future of printing is now.
This is the Rapid Filter System, the first hinged lens filter adapter designed for today's run-and-gun hybrid shooters. After 2 years of development, we built a versatile lens accessory offering breakthrough speed and accessibility. Thoughtfully designed as an upgrade to your lens, the RFS provides the ability to mount any lens filter or lens cap. Designed to stay on your lens, the RFS quickly installs in a few simple steps. The RFS is compatible with most lenses without vignetting. However, on some super wide primes and wide-angle zooms, you will get dark corners in your images. Enter the RFS Plus, the integrated step-up version of the RFS. Think of it as a hinged step-up ring, allowing you to adapt to wide-angle lenses or use the same size filters across your entire kit. Refer to our focal length compatibility section for guidance. We've made the RFS and RFS Plus available in every size and step-up range, so you can equip all of your lenses. The RFS is a customizable tool designed for all levels of photographers and videographers who are seeking a convenient way to use lens filters and accessories. So whether you're correcting reflections and glare with your polarizer on the go, shooting cinematic video with your ND filter, setting focus for a long exposure, shooting video and stills at the same time, quickly disengaging a dirty filter to keep shooting, or simply keeping your equipment safe, the RFS is here to adapt to your shooting style. The outer edge of the RFS is slightly larger, allowing for quick one-handed operation. The 270-degree hinge rotation safely positions the filter out of the way while still maintaining necessary access to focus and zoom rates. The friction hinge keeps the device secure when open, and the tension is customizable to your preference with the provided tools. The RFS is securely held closed by 6 high-grade magnets. The 360-degree customizable hinge orientation works seamlessly with camera accessories that might otherwise get in the way. The RFS even provides a convenient way to safely clean your glass. Throughout the entire development process, preservation of image quality has been a top priority. We addressed light leak with the addition of the interior light shield, ensuring accurate contrast for long exposure photography. The RFS is constructed from precision-machined aerospace aluminum and is sturdy to withstand significant force.
As a run-and-gun shooter, I became frustrated with the slow and tedious process of using lens filters. Unable to find a product that I believe solved the problem, I set out to create my own solution.
Together, we spent 2 years in development, and now our product is proven. We built relationships with our suppliers and tested our full production line.
Now we need your support and backing to go into production and to build an inventory.
Thank you for helping us bring the rapid filter system to life. We look forward to this journey together.
Thank you.